In this video, I will teach you how to deal with a dangerous person, and make sure you watch this till the end, because the last one will make you the predator instead of prey. Number 1, de-escalation. Imagine if you get bullied or disrespected by a man. It can happen at your job, it can happen within your very family, and this man could even be a complete stranger who has a severe case of road rage. The first thing any man should know is that violence is not something to play around with. If you are a man, you should know that no one will come to save you. Such is the brutal reality of being a man. If possible, avoid a violent situation at all costs. But in some cases, de-escalation doesn't work, and you might to leave the scene is not an option. A violent man could invade your personal space and cross all your boundaries. This man might not be interested in your attempts to walk away or de-escalate the situation. His ego might be so big that the only thing on his mind is to embarrass and hurt you. In a situation like this, you must be aware of everything. Be aware of the environment and what you could use to your advantage, or what your opponent could use in their advantage. Figure out if your opponent has a backup that will help him or if he has a weapon. You must pay attention to everything going on. If everything goes right, then you have to strike first and strike hard. My own father used to tell me if you punch first, you punch twice, meaning you don't wait for your opponent to punch you back. More often than not, a violent situation like this can be avoided. But always remember the number 1 rule: do not die. More videos on what to do in a fight will be made in the future. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Number 2, illusion. You have to appear dangerous than you actually are. Animals always do this to scare off their enemies, but we humans can do this too. Imagine you're arguing with someone, and things are getting out of your hands. You are so pissed off that you challenge him to a fight, and suddenly he becomes completely calm. He looks you straight in the eyes and calmly tells you to step forward. This sudden change in behavior creates the illusion that he knows something you don't. You might start doubting yourself or even think he's a psychopath. This works the other way around too. If someone is usually calm and controlled, but suddenly becomes aggressive, it can be intimidating. The sudden shift in demeanor is what makes it scary. There are some ways to create an illusion of danger. You can pretend you're carrying a weapon or make it seem like you're not alone. But mastering this skill isn't easy. If you fail, you'll look scared, which will make your opponent more confident. However, if you do it right, you can break someone's spirit and make them lie down on your foot. But intimidation alone isn't enough. You need something real to back it up. Listen. This video will turn into worthless garbage if you neglect the importance of lifting weights. Do not underestimate this. Every man should aim to become 1% better every day. We live in comfortable times, and many men have let themselves go. There are reasons God made you the stronger vessel. God gave men this glory of greater bodily strength to help us fulfill our roles as providers, protectors, and leaders. Make sure you are fulfilling them. There are many ways to get stronger, and lifting weights is one of them. It can be combined with boxing or jiu-jitsu. Any man that seeks to become stronger will become stronger. There is no excuse for it. Here is a quote that goes, "It is a shame for a man to grow old without seeing the beauty and strength of which his body is capable." Not only will physical training make you a tougher and more resilient man, it will give you a different type of confidence. This confidence is much like an invisible aura surrounding your entire soul. The aura will tell others to think twice before ever messing with you. With this knowledge in mind, you will be shocked at how much potential you truly have as a man. Now, I could make this video much longer and talk a bunch of nothing like other YouTubers would do, but I only want to give you what's useful. By the way, if you like this video, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.